Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll install Python 3.13.7 on Windows 11, step by step. You'll learn how to run the installer, verify the installation in the command prompt, and even run your very first Python script. Why use the latest version? Newer releases of Python offer better performance, new features, and important security updates, so it's always recommended. And if you're on Windows 10, don't worry, this process is identical, as Python 3.13 supports Windows 8.1 and up. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and search for Python to find the official website. Click the first link for python.org, go to the download section, and click the button to download the latest version for Windows. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from your browser or downloads folder. On the setup screen, this is the most important step. Check the box that says Add python.exe to path. Then click Customize Installation. On the optional features screen, all the defaults are fine. Just click Next. On the advanced options screen, check the box for Install for all users. Then click Install to begin. Python will now install. This process might take a couple of minutes as it sets up the interpreter, the standard library, and the package manager pip. Once you see setup was successful, you can click Close. Now, let's verify that everything is working. Go to your Start menu and open the command prompt. Type Python --version and press Enter. You should see Python 3.13.7 appear. Next, check the package manager by typing pip--version and pressing Enter. This confirms that pip is also ready to go. Now, let's run our first script. Open a text editor like Notepad and type a simple command. Print Hello World. Go to File, then Save As. Navigate to your desktop, name the file hello.py, and click Save. Head back to the command prompt. Type cd desktop to change the directory to your desktop. Finally, run the script by typing python hello.py. As you can see, it prints Hello World to the screen. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Python and run your first program. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Since this is our very first video, your support means a lot and helps us bring you more useful content. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm happy to help out. All the important links, Python download, etc., are in the description below for your convenience. Thank you for watching, and happy coding with Python.